Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. Spring and summer is all about flawless, glowy looking complexion, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I create this glowy, almost close to flawless, perfected foundation look. There was a lot of practice put into achieving this sort of like glowy foundation look, and I'm not an expert. I did take quite a while to get to this state of finish. A recent product that I have been loving lately, it's a new foundation that is new to my collection, and it's the NYX Total Drop Total Foundation, and this is really not new in the market. I believe this came out somewhere around last year, and I had such a hard time finding my correct shade because my shade in this line of foundation is medium olive. Apparently I do have a teeny tiny bit of green in my undertone, but what I do love about this product is that it's super lightweight. Of all the foundation that I've tried so far since the time I started making YouTube videos, I feel like this has got to be the most lightweight foundation of them all. It's so liquidy that it's so water-like on the skin. And if you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. While you're here at it, may I suggest that you wanna subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 PM local Singapore time. And if you'd like to see more content from me, all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button down this video, click on the bell next to it, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new video uploads are going up on my channel. If you want to know how to recreate this flawless foundation look, then please keep on watching.
Alright, to prepare the skin, I'm going to be using Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. And guess what? I'm actually doing this voiceover from a Starbucks coffee joint. And I'm going to be just taking this Hangover RX because we want a glowy look. So we're not going to be going with a matte primer, and just smooth the primer all over evenly across the complexion. Next, to enhance the glow from on our skin, we're going to be using the Peachy Glow Instaglow CC Cream from The Body Shop. And again, I'm just going to be overall just pressing the product down onto my skin just for an extra shimmer, sheen. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be choosing a very lightweight foundation for this look. I'm going to be going in with my NYX Total Drop foundation, and I'm in the shade medium olive, and I'm just stamping the foundation all over the face with a buffing brush like this one. And the key to a flawless foundation look, and to ensure that the foundation gives you a lot more coverage, is to stamp the product onto the skin like what you see me doing here. And this kind of ensures that the product goes very deep into the skin and it doesn't move about. Now to do some under eye cover up, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. Oh my god, there I go again. And this time around, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer because I just want to use up this product. I kind of like it right now. I remember not liking because of its ghostly pale undertone in this concealer, but I kind of like it right now. And I'm just going to be taking a little bit of peach corrector to correct my under eye darkness, and going in with a light beigey color that has a lot of yellow undertone. And I'm going to be using the same foundation brush to buff the concealers in, and you'll see that it looks really nice and simple and light. I'm going to be using a smaller buffing brush to correct the under eye area because the big brush can get really messy under the eye area, and especially around the nooks and crannies of the inner corners of the eyes and around the nostrils as well. So a smaller brush like this will definitely perfect the look of the foundation and concealer. If you have dry skin, you can totally skip this part, but I do have a little bit of oily skin and I just want to keep the shine at bay. I'm going to be blocking the foundation, the primer and concealers down with a little bit of Sephora Baked Face Compact, and I'm just going to be pressing the powder in just to lock my under eye concealer and stop it from creasing and wherever else that's required. Once that's done, I'm going to be doing a little bit of contour. I'm going to be using my ABH. I believe this is the contour kit in light to medium, and I'm concentrating wherever I do want to shape my outer parameters of my face, like define a little bit of my cheekbones, which I absolutely don't have. I have a large donut for a face, so I do like to have a little bit of contour, and you can see that I'm just taking the color a little bit messily, but do not worry, we're going to be blending everything out in a split second. I'm placing the color down just so that it's easier to blend out later on. The last step to this look is to do some balm highlighting. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette for this, and I'm going to be taking 2 shades and just mixing and matching and just going to be going really ham with the highlighting action. You can definitely tone it down, use a different highlighter of your choice, whatever that suits your undertone and preference. I'm just going to be going really hard on my highlight for this. To mesh everything together, I'm going to be using a dual fiber brush like this one and just blending the contour, the highlights and the powder that we have already placed before, just so that it looks nicely meshed and looks really nicely blended, so that there is no stark lines apparent on the face, and this completes the look.
That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this spring summer glowy complexion foundation look that I come up with today. And if you did enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends on your Facebook, via WhatsApp, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!